Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I am Syed Hussain sir, the founder of Hussain Sir IS classes. So we are here with a short video regarding our upcoming Group 1 coaching program, which will be an online coaching program. So it is an opportunity for Telangana aspirants who are working professionals, who are young aspirant, fresh aspirant, so they can get benefit from joining online classes as well. So first of all, I want to show the importance of Group 1 examination and its preparation. So we know that recently government came with notification that soon we will have Group 1 examination with 503 vacancies. So it is a major notification for any state. If any state gives 500 or more than 500 vacancies in its Group 1 exam, it is a big opportunity and a golden opportunity for their aspirant. So, being a Telangana aspirant as well as a national faculty for UPSC exam, I am saying that it is a golden opportunity for all Telangana aspirants to prepare well for Group 1 and to make your name within this 503 vacancies. As we know that Group 1 exam and its posts are highest government post in Telangana. It includes deputy collector. We know that more than 40 seats are for deputy collector. Similarly, deputy SP 91 and municipal commissioner and so on. All highly admired posts are in Group 1 services. So it is a golden opportunity for Telangana aspirant to prepare well for Group 1 services and to make their name within this 503 vacancies. So I wish you all very best to clear this exam. Moreover, along with Group 1, I want to ensure you that your Group 1 preparation will be an inclusive approach as its syllabus and its strategy help you to clear other groups exam very easily. For example, government with time will come with Group 2 notification with 582 vacancies and Group 3 with more than 1300 vacancies and Group 4 around 10,000 vacancies. So, Group 1 preparation is a superior preparation. So, if you start preparation for Group 1, then automatically you will complete your Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 preparation as well. But how? How I am saying this? So look at the syllabus of Group 1, 2, 3 and 4 exams. So here we know that Group 1 exams contain prelims, mains as well as interview. So in prelims, we need to appear for an objective type exam to qualify in mains. And in mains, we need to write descriptive answers for the same syllabus. For example, we need to write 3 essays and we need to write answers for history, geography, culture, for Indian society, constitution, governance, Indian economy and development, including environment, science and tech, and data interpretation, and a separate paper for Telangana movement and state formation. We need to write answers, descriptive answers in mains. And finally, there is an interview. Similarly, in Group 2, we have 4 papers. but group 2 will be of objective type. So its syllabus is a supplement and complement of group 1 preparation. Look at the paper 1 syllabus, general studies and general abilities, and paper 2 history, society, polity, then paper 3 economy and development, then paper 4 Telangana movement and state corruption. Same syllabus which we have covered in group 1. Moreover, group 2 will also have an interview. Similarly, look at group 3. So group 3 will be also, I think, objective type examination. It contains 3 paper and the syllabus is same, almost same. First paper about general studies, second paper about history, polity, society, third paper about economy and development. So you can see that there is a very much similarity in syllabus. So no need to worry for that. And look at group 4. Again, it contains 2 paper, 1 paper about general knowledge and it contains the syllabus, and paper 2 is contains secreted abilities including mental ability, logical reasoning, numerical ability, comprehension, so on. So if we analyze the syllabus, we can come sure that if we prepare for group 1, automatically we can clear other exam as well. So look at prelim syllabus of group 1. It contains topics like current events, current affairs, then science and technology, environment and issues, economy, geography, Indian history, Indian polity, and Telangana policies, Telangana literature, social issues, and lastly, logical reasoning, that is aptitude and reasoning. So whatever the syllabus in our group 1 prelim, same syllabus is for group 2, group 3, group 4 examination as well. Look at this. Group 2, paper 1. Same syllabus. Current affairs, current events, general science, environment, geography, history, Telangana policies, Telangana literature, social exclusion, and logical reasoning as well. So, if one aspirant prepare for prelims of group 1, so he can directly think that he had prepared for group 2 as well. Similarly, look at group 3 and the paper 1 of group 3. Again, group 3 and paper 1 of group 3, same syllabus. Current events, general science, environmental issues, geography, history, Telangana policies, Telangana society, literature, social exclusion, logical reasoning, and so on. And finally, look at group 4 as well. So current events, science, environment, geography, Indian constitution, Indian history, Telangana history, movement, literature, society, and policies of Telangana. And another paper which includes aptitude reasoning as well. So, as per our observation, we can conclude that if an aspirant focuses on group 1 preparation, they can easily complete the syllabus of group 2, 3, and 4 with focus on group 1 preparation. Now, already we have seen the group 1 having the same syllabus and some superior question will be asked in group 1 services. So usually for mains we used to study in depth because we need to write in theoretical format. So our agenda should be to focus on group 1 preparation. So with time, when government will release group 2 notification, group 3, group 4, automatically we can clear these exams as well. No need for separate preparation, no need for separate coaching and guidance. So my request with youth of Telangana and their parents to ensure that you should focus on Group 1 preparation because it is a golden opportunity. It contains more than 500 posts. Finally, I want to highlight some features of our upcoming online Group 1 program. So, as you know, we used to run and we are running so many courses for UPSC, IAS, IPS preparation through our online websites, online coaching platforms. So for Telangana aspirant, we are also launching Group 1 coaching program in online format. So benefits of online program are very, very high. For example, if you are working professional or if you are a fresh candidate, so you can get live classes as well as recording. So recording can ensure that you can revise, re-revise as well. You can learn and relearn the same topic. Moreover, the features like approach. We have prelims as well as mains approach in our coaching program. We will ensure that you can have clear idea about prelims types of questions and syllabus and mains types of question and syllabus as well. So in our coaching program, we will complete your prelims as well as main syllabus. We will complete your entire syllabus. Then thirdly, we will ensure that you will get good high quality PDF material for entire syllabus. Finally, our faculties. As you know, myself as a national faculty for UPSC, so I will ensure that other faculties in this coaching program will have the same capacity and same ability, like they are also having UPSC interview experience and UPSC mains experience as well. So all our faculties having good enough experience about UPSC prelims, mains and interview, so they can easily guide you for Group 1. Moreover, in this Group 1 coaching program, you can get class recording in your personal account. So you can easily access that recording. You can watch, you can revise, you can make notes with time as well. Moreover, we have a separate idea about answer writing for mains. In mains, we need to write answers. So we are focusing on mains preparation. So we will ensure that you can write good number of answers for mains as well as essay. So we have a separate essay paper. So we need to write 3 essays in Group 1. So we will have separate classes as well for answer writing and essay writing. Moreover, we have a strategy, smart strategy to clear prelims as well as mains. As again, I want to mention that myself cleared 5 prelims of UPSC and other faculties also having good command over prelims as well as of mains. So we will ensure that you can get smart strategy to clear prelims as well as mains of Group 1. So you can rely upon our mentorship. Finally, as already mentioned, the preparation of Group 1 is very helpful for all other groups exams as well, and including SIF police and other exams. The unique feature of our Group 1 program is about fee facility. So we are charging less fees. We are charging 40,000 for entire prelims cum mains program. Our fees is about 40,000. So we are taking 40,000 fees. And moreover, in this fee, we also providing installment facility. We are also providing installment facility, and aspirant can pay monthly fees as well. So we want to ensure that we will be affordable as well as accessible. So we are ensuring that the parent and as well as aspirant can join us through monthly fees, installment fees facility. So our program duration will be about 6 months. In this 6 months, we will give you monthly fees facility as well as installment facility. So those who are interested, they can call us because we are going to start classes from 15th April. 15th April onwards, we will start classes. Admissions are open. You can contact on these numbers and you can message as well. And finally, we want to convey you that within short period of 1 year of our coaching, we have delivered some good results, including one IS officer, Mr. Faizan Ahmed, and the Asim Khan. He was one of the Urdu medium aspirant who cleared UPSC as well. And we have a good track in UPSC prelims result. In 2021 prelims, more than 40 candidates qualified. Similarly, in state examination, for example, Jammu Kashmir prelims, more than 10 students qualified. Similar, we have good results across UP PSC, Bihar PSC, Rajasthan PSC, Maharashtra PSC, and so on. So we can ensure that the qualitative, affordable, and accessible online coaching under our mentorship can guide you to clear upcoming Group 1 examination. So we request you to quickly take admission in our coaching program. Moreover, we are requesting you to share this short video with other aspirants and parents. So thank you very much.